Very good morning to all. I am Dr.C.Senthilkumar, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. So, in this session, we are going to see the decision thinking based study on projection of points. So, what are the decision thinking stages? There are 5 stages of decision thinking are there. One is empathy. Second is define. Third stage is ideate. Fourth stage is prototype. The fifth stage is testing and evaluation. How the design thinking is connected with the subject engineering graphics projection of points. We all know that in the world, all the diagrams are from the small points. The point is assumed as a one-dimensional entity. So in the empathy, they would have conceived several points together making a diagram from the head to toe problem of a person. Like this engineering drawing, let the person is engineering graphics. That all the points together in your computer giving a image. That is why you are going to study in a higher class of AML graphics. Okay. So after empathy, they will define. Due to this diagram is coming like this. So the point will be reduced. You will get some different image that will define. After defining, you will get idea. If you have this number of graphics point, that will give a image like this. After ideate, you will go for a prototype, you will make it and you will test it. If we go for a point analysis is to serve the coffee or tea to the person. After empathy, this design is made using the computer and it is made. It's one of the application of engineering graphics also, engineering drawing also. So now I am expecting the volunteers to come forward and take up the empathy and define ideate prototype and testing for the deliberation of our understanding. So for the empathy, I am calling the volunteer here.
Good morning to all. Myself is Selvi. I am from my AML department, first year student from SNS College of Technology. Today I am here to explain about empathy. In the concept of projection of points in DT base, we all know that what is empathy. Empathy means understanding the user's needs in their perspective. Here, engineers and designers need to clearly understand the concepts of 3D drawing. That means engineering graphics, but it is represented in a 2D drawing, like in 2D papers or screens. It is represented in this way. But without the projection of points, it is difficult to analyze, visualize, and communicate and exactly construct these structures. For engineering students, it is difficult to imagine a 3D object. But with the help of projection of points, they can easily understand it with step-by-step explanations of process. For the mechanical students, but they need to accurately mention the joints of the components and holes. But with the help of projection of points, they can easily align it without any errors.
Thank you, Mr. Next person to deliberate about the another stages of design thinking. Come.
Hi, I'm Sanjay from SNS College of Technology, Department of AML. I'm going to define the DT based on projection of light. We have to define the given problem and then we have to analyze the problem in the possible ways, like determining the position and determining the front view and the top view HP and the horizontal plane and the vertical plane of the problem, and then we have to solve in the problem way. We have to define in correct way to solve the problem, and then I'm deliver about the ideate. Ideate is nothing but solving ideas in a simple way. So in projection of plane, we have to solve using orthographical plane and horizontal plane HP, vertical plane BP, and then connecting two planes. Uh, Horizontal plane represents the top view, and vertical plane is represents front view of the projection points, and using the 2 points, we have to mark in the reference line of the 2 points in the projections. Thank you.
Next volunteer to deliberate the next stages of design thinking.
I myself from AML department at the SNS College of Technology. Now I am here to explain about the prototype based on projection of points. Prototype is about creating the distance and HP and VP of engineering drawings. There are few steps to be followed for implementing the idea on paper. First, there should be drawing and reference line about the XY plane, and based on question, there should be marked according to the points of projection of points above HP or below HP, below EP or above VP. And the projection of points should be followed based on given conditions that needs to be satisfied. There are applications about prototype. Prototype is nothing but it is normal based on this used for many practical engineering and engineering drawings. And the practical outcomes for prototype is about lines, surfaces, engineering drawings, and 3D drawings of the buildings. Test. Test is about verification. It's about satisfying the given conditions and about the HP and VPR and correct projection lines. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for listening the DT based study on the projection of point. Hope you understood about the empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and test and evaluate of design thinking process, which we already seen and revised using your volunteers who are available in the class. Thank you very much.